I have been living in South Africa for the last 2 years, and to be sincere, South Africa has changed my life from this to this. My name is Nzioka from Kenya, and in today's video, I'll be taking you through my journey as a village boy from Kenya, living like a rich kid in South Africa and later deported to Kenya due to COVID. South Africa is one of the most developed countries in Africa and precisely one of the most expensive countries to live in, and this should bring a lot of questions as to how a mere village boy would manage to live in such a country. 2 years ago, in 2020, when I knew I was leaving my country and my village to South Africa, my family and I were so much excited. I just got a call to go and serve as a volunteer missionary for 2 years in South Africa and Botswana for the Church of Jesus Christ Latter-day Saints. 3 days before I left, a small goodbye party was organized. A lot of my friends attended. And in as much as I was excited, the fear of leaving my family, friends, and my village for 2 years was haunting me. Anyway, I had no choice, and South Africa was my dream country, and finally, I was going to board a plane for the first time. This was a dream come true for a village boy like me. When the day came, I was booked a 5-star hotel in Nairobi. Already, I was living like a rich kid. The food, the bed, the room was just something out of this world. I had never seen something like this. Let me show you. This is how it looks like. So it's beautiful. And then eventually, we come to the bed. So look at that bed, guys. I haven't tried it. I want to try it right now. Let's remove these pillows here. I don't use these pillows. I think they just usually put these pillows here for some decoration. But yeah, so we're gonna try this bed, and I'm excited. Let me tell you one thing. When I'm using a bed or when I book a hotel, one thing I want these pillows right here. I want my pillows to be able to be soft, and by touching these ones already, I can tell they're very soft. I love the decoration of the bed, but let's try it. I love just throwing myself on the bed and just seeing how it is. So, are you guys ready? In 1, 2, 3. It's nice, guys. All right, that's my notebook right there. Fall down. But let's try the pillows. Let's see. Oh, the pillows are nice. I love them. They're soft. I think I'm gonna sleep well. Wait, did I mention that this was my first time in Nairobi? I couldn't believe my eyes. For the first time, I saw story buildings. We arrived in South Africa, Howard Tambo International Airport at noontime, and the coldness in South Africa was not something I could bear. I know you guys will say Nairobi is cold, but if you have been to Joburg, you know what I'm talking about. Oh my goodness, this place was so cold. It is up to date. One thing I will have to admit is that South Africa beauty is just on another level. The architecture caught my mind until I was no longer missing my village. Precise. Having been in Nairobi for the first time, I'm no longer missing it anymore. Guys, look at this beauty. Howard Tambo International Airport. So nice. Ever since that day, I've been living in South Africa, Pretoria, a place called Sunnyside, next to Zari the boss lady. Yes, Zari the ex-wife to Diamond Platnumz. In my next video, I'll be telling you my story, how I was deported on the 3rd March of 2020, a month later after coming to South Africa, I will also tell you how the pilot who flew us back home during the deportation died a few days later due to COVID, and how I managed to come back to South Africa again. So, if you've been here and love this video, please take a moment, subscribe, like and comment. I'm on road to 20k subscribers, and my 20th k subscriber is going to win a live stream with me here in this channel and additional $30 prize cash money from me, and I'm going to deliver it wherever you will be. So please guys, subscribe, like and comment and share this video with your friends.